1. Ignoring regular oil changes. Oil is the lifeblood of your engine, and ignoring regular oil changes can lead to sludge buildup and engine wear. Old oil doesn't lubricate well, which could cause friction, overheating, and, eventually, engine failure. Make sure to change your oil as recommended by the manufacturer to keep your engine running smoothly. 2. Using cheap, low-quality oil. Not all oils are created equal. Using cheap, low-quality oil may seem like a money saver, but over time, it can damage your engine. Inferior oil won't provide the proper lubrication and can result in serious engine wear. Always go for high-quality, recommended oil to ensure longevity. 3. Overlooking the timing belt. Your car's timing belt is essential for synchronizing engine components. If it's not replaced on time, it can snap, causing catastrophic engine damage. Don't skip on this important maintenance task. Check your manufacturer's recommendations on timing belt replacement. 4. Not changing the air filter. A clogged air filter reduces airflow to the engine, leading to decreased performance and lower fuel efficiency. Replace your air filter regularly, especially if you drive in dusty conditions or high-traffic areas. It's a small cost for big performance gains. 5. Driving with a low tire pressure. Driving with underinflated tires not only lowers your fuel efficiency, but also puts extra strain on your engine. Low tire pressure causes tires to drag, which increases fuel consumption and accelerates engine wear. Keep your tire pressure in check for better performance and savings. 6. Overloading your vehicle. Overloading your car with heavy cargo can put unnecessary stress on your engine and suspension. The more weight your car carries, the harder it works. This can lead to excessive wear, lower fuel efficiency, and costly repairs. Be mindful of the weight you're carrying in your car. 7. Ignoring warning lights. Warning lights are there for a reason, to give you early indications of potential problems. Ignoring them can lead to more severe engine issues and costly repairs. If you see a warning light, don't wait, get your car checked out immediately. 8. Using the wrong fuel. Believe it or not, putting the wrong type of fuel in your car is one of the fastest ways to destroy your engine. Diesel in a petrol engine or vice versa can cause irreparable damage. Always double-check before filling up. 9. Revving the engine immediately after starting. Revving your engine immediately after starting is a big mistake. When your engine is cold, the oil hasn't fully circulated, and revving it can cause unnecessary wear on engine components. Give your car a few moments to warm up before putting it into high gear. 10. Skipping engine cool down after driving. After a long drive, especially in hot weather, your engine needs time to cool down. Turning the engine off too quickly can result in heat soak, which stresses components like the turbocharger and the cooling system. Let the engine idle for a minute before turning it off to avoid damage. 11. Not flushing the radiator. Your car's radiator plays a crucial role in cooling the engine. Over time, it can accumulate sludge and rust, which can clog the system and cause overheating. Flushing the radiator every couple of years can prevent this, helping to avoid costly repairs. 12. Neglecting brake maintenance. Your brakes are vital to your safety and the health of your car. Driving with worn-out brake pads can damage the rotors, costing you much more in repairs. Make sure to check your brakes regularly and replace the pads when necessary. 13. Keeping the AC running too much. While it's tempting to keep the AC running in hot weather, it can put extra strain on your engine. The compressor uses power from the engine to function, which could reduce fuel efficiency. Use the AC wisely to avoid unnecessary engine stress. 14. Not paying attention to fluid levels. Fluid levels are essential for smooth engine operation. Low brake fluid, coolant, or transmission fluid can cause serious problems and increase wear on engine components. Regularly check your fluid levels and top them off when necessary. 15. Failing to maintain the exhaust system. Your exhaust system is key to reducing harmful emissions and improving engine performance. A leak or damage in the system can reduce fuel efficiency and increase engine load. Regularly inspect and maintain your exhaust to avoid costly replacements. 16. Ignoring the battery. Your car's battery provides the necessary power to start your engine. Corrosion on battery terminals or an old, weak battery can lead to failure, leaving you stranded. Clean the terminals and replace the battery when needed to avoid issues. 17. Driving aggressively. Driving aggressively places unnecessary strain on your engine, brakes, and transmission. Frequent hard accelerations, fast stops, and sharp turns can lead to faster wear on your car's components. Adopt a smoother driving style for better engine health and savings. 18. Not replacing worn spark plugs. Spark plugs play a crucial role in igniting the fuel mixture in your engine. Worn-out spark plugs can cause poor fuel efficiency, rough idling, and even engine misfires. Replace your spark plugs as part of regular maintenance to keep your engine running smoothly. 19. Using old fuel. Fuel doesn't last forever. Old gasoline can cause your engine to run poorly, and it can even damage components like the fuel injectors. If your car has been sitting for a while, always replace the old fuel before starting the engine. 20. Skipping regular car washes. Regular car washes not only keep your car looking great, but also protect it from rust and corrosion. Dirt and salt buildup can cause long-term damage to the body and engine components. Take care of your car, and it'll take care of you.